Yeah,
Oh yeah,
857,
that's right.
innovative hip hop. It's official.
Yeah, crazy.
We back.
Yeah, that's right. Yo,
Where's the beef? Don't want, don't start none. Where's the beef? Don't front, y'all want some. Where's the beef? Y'all start, I'ma finish till all y'all diminish. Yo, we fall from beginners. Where's the beef? Don't want, don't start none. Where's the beef? Don't front, y'all want some. Where's the beef? Y'all start, I'ma finish till all y'all diminish. Cause you're dealing with the winners. Take a stab back, grab at, take a jab at it. Fans back, Mr. Casmatic. From the attic to the basement, I say bent ways to the stage is my playpen. Where's the beef? Don't stare at me or glare at me. Naturally, I get a little pissed off. You actually thought I'd come at this soft? Nah, we come at this harder. Even though I'm spitting, got me preaching like your father. Ooh, haha. Who is the first on my hit list? To be the same names that remain on my wish list. Beg for forgiveness. No scrapping while rapping, never strapping. Who's packing? Got you clapping and yapping. Stay asking what happened, cause Stallion is jacking. You for your microphone. Y'all wanna battle, then you might go home. Man, soon as my mic goes on, then your fight is gone. Like, what? Where's the beef? Don't want, don't start none. Where's the beef? Don't front, y'all want some. Where's the beef? Y'all start, I'ma finish till all y'all diminish. Yo, we fall from beginners. Where's the beef? Don't want, don't start none. Where's the beef? Don't front, y'all want some. Where's the beef? Y'all start, I'ma finish till all y'all diminish. Cause you're dealing with the winners.
If you got beef, you better walk in reverse. And if you don't, you can leave New York in a hearse. I mean, it's like when I talk, it's rehearsed. Like MTV News, you hear it here first. Long Island, you know where I've been. You hear the sirens, they sound like violins. How we keep it live when shots be firing. I'm just trying to stay alive and I'll rock the MIC. You stop me, it's not likely. You not like me, you can't pop me or drop me. You not that ill, son, it's probably your hobby. Man, I'm blessed with these manifested thoughts from my mental that can't be messed with. What I can confess is I am the best kid, the Bernie.
Priority here is to have you turn over the Iron Man weapon to the American people.
Well, you can forget it. We're safe. America is secure. You want my property? You can't have it. But I did you a big favor. I have successfully privatized world peace.
Front, y'all want some. Where's the beef? Y'all start, I'ma finish till all y'all diminish. Cause you're dealing with the winners.
I have yet to meet a rapper who happens to have the character that's captured by my clip. He spits just like an amateur, damage a group of haters with the greatest of ease. Can't receive to win a battle when you out of my league. If you need to understand why you ain't up to par, just look at the place where we gave you scars. Far better than your veterans, always leave them trembling. After the impression I left, they'll be remembering. Could tell from your tone that you think this a joke. Let's see which one of us can stand in terms of emerging from the smoke. I really hope you can provide us with a challenge, since it's hard to find a cat that can survive against a talent. For victims that I finish, you don't seem all that different. You're fairly quick to start a fight without expecting to win it. Got a weapon but possessing no intentions to swing it. So if you're ready to get bested, I suggest that you bring it.
Where's the beef? Don't want, don't start none. Where's the beef? Don't front, y'all want some. Where's the beef? Y'all start, I'ma finish till